Thanks, Amanda. I think it's been a great day. I want to thank all of our speakers, especially those of you who are flexible with our changing schedule. I want to thank the slide flippers and the moderators today. I want to thank Ricky because God knows we couldn't do this without Ricky. Thank you so much, Ricky. And I want to thank everybody who showed up and participated today. We had lots of great questions in the IO tool. I know we didn't get to all of them, but we tried to answer as many as we could. And we will continue to try to get answers to all of your questions. I want to reiterate again a thing that I know I keep saying, but that Artemis is and Moonbase and all the things is not a thing that NASA is doing. It is a thing that we're doing together as a community, and we absolutely cannot do it without you, without the community. And so super appreciate all of you showing up and participating and pushing us to do better and to do more. I think it's and I think we'll leave it there. We'll get you out of here even like a couple minutes early today. Look at that. So thank you all for a great workshop.